in Yosemite National Park. And we gotta get on a shuttle to go to the trailhead for where we're hiking. We're gonna see some waterfalls today. Thank you. I feel like I say this every time we start a hike, but it's already incredible. That's the thing about these like national parks is they're all so well kept. They're just simply incredible. If you've never been to a national park, like go to one. You're really missing out. Water. Can't really tell, but my camera is soaked. I mean, you can see from my glasses all the mist that builds up when you're here. It's from the waterfall just falling down and just bouncing off the rock. There's just literally condensation and water just everywhere. It's soaking all my stuff. Okay, and there's water all over the ground. Woo! Man, they need to invent like little windshield wipers for like sunglasses or like regular glasses. I am soaked. We took a beating. Look at that view. That's not safe. They found an awesome spot for lunch. We're at the lunch. Breakfast. But we're at the top of the waterfall. Look for yourself. I don't want lunch. I want breakfast. This is hopefully we don't fall in. This is all our stuff. I think we're pretty secure though. Lunch time's over. Time to see some incredible views. Let's go. Let's go. And we're back to the trailhead. Whew. Damn. We got a motel room for The Walking Dead tonight. Whew. Oh, this is kind of cool.
Dips aside.
Okay. Look at that. It's like 8:30, almost, actually, it's like 8:40 now. Walking Dead's on soon. Season finale. We're freaking out, as you can tell.
This isn't the finale, dude. That's next week.
Are you sure?
I'm just fucking around.
Asshole. This is the finale, so I don't really know what to expect. We're...
Is that real? No.
Oh my god, I was like, whoa.
I wish it was.
We don't really know what to expect. We're on the West Coast, so like all of our friends have already seen it, and we're not going on any social media because they'll...
Oh, it's just on Facebook. No one says shit. Get it in check.
Bull crap, I saw a couple people see
No, dude, I'm spoiled.
My mom spoiled it once. I'm like, Mom, you can't do that. She's like, what? I'm like, Mom.
I'm like, wait at least a week.
I'm like, Mom. You're not allowed. That's just etiquette. You can't do that. She's like, oh,
I don't
I'll
get what the
fix
point
it.
of doing that is anyway. Like, if you're gonna go, I don't even know. Like, what is it like? Oh, I watch it too. I don't know. Message someone privately. Why have to make it public?
These people are freaking out.
Yeah. So. I'm not yet because I haven't seen it.
So yeah, that's gonna be on soon.
I thought Daryl was like the sneakiest. How you sneak up on the sneakiest? You'll be alright.
Oh, fucker.
Next on
34 seconds.
Dead. You make a deal right here, right now.
Oh, it's on. Shut up. You guys ready?
No.
You keep yelling.
Previously on AMC's The Walking Dead. What the hell is he doing?
So we have no idea what just happened. Someone died. Who do you guys think? I think it was Abraham.
I don't
I think it was Carl.
I don't think it was Carl.
I think it could be Maggie.
Or Maggie.
It's about to get a whole lot bigger.
I think
There's
it
a
was
lot of people
Abraham.
that could be. I'm not picking just one person.
Oh my god,
It
dude.
wasn't Carol.
This is an insane world.
Just Carol wasn't there.
The only good thing is they're not attacking Alexandria.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good. Look at that rainbow!